What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how I wash my mini twist. I haven't washed my hair in over a month since I got it twisted, actually. So I'm going to show you what we're working with. I have it in this little ponytail at this point. So basically, the aim of me washing this is I have a job interview tomorrow, actually. I should have prepared more for this. But yeah, I have a job interview tomorrow. And I want my hair to be clean. I want my scalp to be clean. But we're mainly trying to moisturize it. So we're just going to hop straight into it. Also, subtle update on growing out the sides. It's been a month. I've successfully not restarted. And I think I'm making some pretty good progress. Obviously, we'll probably see like some more noticeable results later down the line, but you know, little progress is still progress. All right, let's hop into this. We're using this shampoo. All the products that I use are going to be linked down below in the description. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to rinse the twist. We're going to let the water do its thing, just soak into the hair, because you don't want to just go in straight with the shampoo. Probably going to cause a lot of breakage with that. So now the hair is fully soaked. Look at that hang time, bro. This is why you should listen to my tips, bro. Listen to my tips. If you want some hang time like this, you know, subscribe and hit that like button. I don't know why you ain't hit it yet. You know you mess with these type of videos. All right, let's keep going. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the shampoo. We're really just trying to focus on the scalp, bro. Focus on your scalp. That's where the dead flakes, dead skin cells, the dandruff, all of that's gonna reside. I don't know why y'all be focusing so much on the braids themselves, bro. That's not really the dirty part. It's your scalp. Make sure you get that clean. And you can get a little scalp massage in there. That extra blood flow is gonna help you with hair growth, okay? And just believe me, okay? Just trust in the process. So we're just gonna keep doing that for a little while. Make sure that we get it nice and sudsy, nice and clean, so we can get that hygiene going. And then we're just gonna rinse it out. All right, so now all of it is rinsed out of the hair. Hit them with a little shake, because you know we sexy. And you know your boy been in the gym recently. Look at them shoulders, bro. Come on. Hit me with some dabs. All right, so we're going to put it in a little ponytail. I messed up in the back there, but I think I fixed it later. Now we're going to focus on the undercut itself, okay? So I've been growing this out for about a month, like I said earlier. So this is kind of optional if you don't have the undercut. But since I'm trying to pay more attention to the growth underneath, that's what we're gonna focus on. Now we're gonna go on with this little repair mask, basically a deep conditioner, and we're just gonna make sure that short hair is moisturized. And now we're gonna focus on the twist itself. So you know how I said don't focus too much on the twist when you're washing it, like when you're putting the shampoo. This is the part when you want to focus on the twist. With the deep conditioner or any conditioner that you're using, that is supposed to moisturize your hair. And make sure that you focus on the ends as well. Notice how I'm kind of squeezing down the braids. I'm trying to squeeze that moisture in there without rubbing it too hard. And that's kind of how the twist look with all of the conditioner in there. Hit them with a little pose, and now we're just gonna rinse that out. You can wait a few minutes and then hit them with the little shake. That's gonna help with the moisture. Just trust me. Look at the back, bro. If you ain't in the gym, get in the gym, bro. I messed up with my words, but we ain't into this. So now we're gonna go in with the actual leave-in conditioner. So my moisturization technique is really simple. I'm just gonna hit it with the leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna follow it with the oil. It's basically the same steps though of how I apply it. You're gonna see that. Paying attention to the scalp too. Go a little length check, hit them with a little wiggle for dramatic effect, hit them with the turn, you know how it is. Now we're gonna go in with the oil. Now this oil actually has some peppermint oil in it, which is an essential oil, so this is actually gonna help with hair growth. So if you want to focus putting this on your scalp, make sure to do that. When in doubt, bro, focus on your scalp. Bro. All right, so now we're gonna hit it with the drying process. So I'm gonna put a do-rag on real quick for that extra compression, so we don't have too much frizz. And then I'm gonna get a blow dryer after this. But make sure that you pull the twist so that they're fully extended. So I'm using the high fan and the low medium heat setting, one of those. And I'm just gonna keep doing that until my braids dry. Now we're gonna go in with this mousse. This is kind of extra. You want your hair to be dry before you put this on. Then you're gonna put the do-rag on again. Okay, so we do this kind of twice. And then we do that for a little while. Subtle reveal. Boom. Look at those. Look at the twists. Now keep in mind, these twists were in for a month, so my parts are basically gone. But you can see, you could stretch out a lot of more life from this style if you follow this tip. And if you ain't like the video, bro. I know you didn't hear me the first time. I know you tried to ignore me, okay? Hit the like button. Hit the like button and the subscribe. Okay, hit them at the same time. All right, boom, look at that. Beautiful. All right, guys, so that's pretty much how I wash my twists. I think they came up pretty fire. Keep in mind, these twists were like a month old and the parts are basically gone at this point. But you know, if you're trying to get a little bit more life out of your style, you could use this technique. But maybe twists aren't your thing and you like cornrows or braids. So I want you to watch this video next where I show you how to wash your cornrows and get them to look, you know, a little bit more stupendous. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.